In this video, I'm going to solve 7 questions of two-step inequalities. The first question is, which graph represents the solution set of this inequality? 9 minus 4d is greater than or equal to minus 3. Okay, so first we need to simplify this inequality. So let me copy it to the board. So 9 minus 4d, greater than or equal to minus 3, I will first subtract 9 from both sides of the equation. So I am left with minus 4d on the left hand side of the inequality. So minus 4d is greater than or equal to minus 3 minus 9, okay, which is minus 12. So minus 4d is greater than or equal to minus 12. And now I need to divide both sides of the inequality by minus 4. So I'm left with d on the left hand side of the inequality, but since I'm dividing by a negative number, I'm flipping the inequality sign, and now d is less than or equal to minus 12 divided by minus 4, which is 3. So d needs to be less than or equal to 3. Okay, so which of these options shows us, okay, so all the numbers has to be smaller than 3, and 3 is included in the set, so here A shows the correct option because the set includes 3 and all the numbers are less than 3. Okay, option C is incorrect because the circle is hollow, so 3 is not included in the set, and here we see that 3 is included in the set. And option B is incorrect because all the numbers are greater than 3, and in D all the numbers are greater than or equal to minus 3. Okay, so option A is correct. Good. Find the solution set of the inequality. Okay, so first I will need to simplify the inequality. So inequality says 16x minus 7 is less than or equal to minus 71. I will first add 7 to both sides of the equation of the inequality, so plus 7. So on the left hand side I'm left with only 16x. 16x is less than or equal to minus 71 plus 7. Okay, the difference, one is negative, one is positive. So the result is the difference between the two. 71 minus 7 is 64, and the result is negative because 71 is greater. So 71 plus 7 is minus 64. So 16x is less than or equal to minus 64, and now I need to divide both sides by 16 to isolate the x. So x is less than or equal to minus 64 over 16. Times 4 is 64. So x is less than or equal to minus 4. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay. So x needs to be less than or equal to minus 4. Good. Next question. Okay. Let's see. Which graph represents the solution set of this inequality? So first we will simplify the inequality. So the inequality says 12b minus 15 is greater than 21. Okay, so first we will add 15 to both sides of the inequality. So on the left hand side of the inequality I'm left with 12b. 12b is greater than 21 plus 15. Okay, 21 plus 20 plus 10 is 30, 1 plus 5 is 6, so this is 36. So 12b is greater than 36. Now I divide both sides of the inequality by 12, so I isolate the b on the left hand side of the inequality. So b is greater than 36 divided by 12. So b has to be greater than 3. Okay, 36 divided by 12 is 3. So now I need to see which graph is b greater than 3. Okay, so the solution has to be all the numbers that are greater than 3, not including 3. So this is the correct. A includes 3 in the solution set, but here we see that the solution is b is greater than 3. So all the numbers has to be greater than 3, not including 3. So D is the correct answer. Good. Next question. The next question is find the solution set of the inequality. Okay, so the inequality says 12 minus 6x is greater than 24. So first I will eliminate the 12 from the left hand side of the inequality. So I subtract 12 from both sides. So on the left hand side I'm left with 6x, and 6x is greater than 24 minus 12. Okay, so minus 6x is greater than, this is 12. And now I need to divide both sides of the inequality by minus 6. Divide by minus 6. So on the left hand side I am left with x. And since I'm dividing by a negative number, I need to flip the sign of the inequality. So now it becomes less than 12 divided by minus 6. So x needs to be less than minus 2. Okay, so x is all the numbers that are less than minus 2. All the numbers that are less than minus 2. Good. Next question. Which graph represents the solution set of this inequality? Okay, so the inequality says minus 3 times b minus 15 is greater than minus 24. So first I need to add 15 to both sides of the inequality. So on the left hand side, I'm left with only the minus 3b. So 3b is greater than minus 24 plus 15. Okay. 24 is negative, 15 is positive, so the result is the difference between the two, and the difference is 9, and the result is negative because 24 is greater, so minus 3b is greater than minus 9. Now I divide both sides of the inequality by minus 3, so I isolate the b, but since I'm dividing by a negative number, the sign of the inequality flips. Now b is less than minus 9 divided by minus 3. So b has to be less than 3. Minus 9 divided by minus 3. Negative divided by negative is positive. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So b has to be less than 3. So which graph shows us a solution set where all the numbers are less than 3? A. Okay, A, all the numbers are less than 3, not including the 3, since the circle is hollow. Good. Next question. Find the solution set of the inequality. So the inequality says 8x plus 2 is greater than 34. So first I will eliminate the 2 from both sides. So I subtract 2 from both sides of the inequality. So on the left hand side I'm left with 8x. 8x is greater than 34 minus 2. 2 is 32, so 8x is greater than 32. I divide both sides by 8, so on the left hand side I'm left with x is greater than 32 divided by 8, so x is greater than 4. Good. Next question. Which graph represents the solution set of this inequality? So the inequality says 5a plus 18 is less than minus 27. So first I will get rid of the 18, so I subtract 18 from both sides of the inequality, so I'm left with 5a on the left hand side is less than minus 27 minus 18. Okay, they are both negative, so I combine them and the result is negative because they are both negative. 20 plus 10 is 30, 7 plus 8 is 15, 30 plus 15 is 45, so this is minus 45, so 5a is less than minus 45. So I divide both sides of the inequality by 5, so on the left hand side I'm left with a is less than minus 45 divided by 5. So a is less than 45 divided by 5 is 9, and the result is negative because 45 is negative, so minus 9. A has to be all the numbers that are less than minus 9. Okay, so C shows us the solution, all the numbers that are less than 9, not including 9 because the circle is hollow, so this is correct. A is incorrect because the circle is full, which means 9 is included in the solution set. But we see here that in the inequality says that all the numbers A has to be less than -9, so -9 is not included in the set. Good. Thank you for watching. Okay. In the next video, I'm going to do this practice, two-step inequality word problems. So I will see you in the next video.